tour of the PONTECH part system. So these 6 boxes contain reels, and these are a lot of bolt components. PONTECH has over 1,000 unique components in its parts library, and they store pretty compactly because they're electronic components. So these are bins that we store loose components in that are used for R&D purposes and sometimes production. And so there's quite a few parts in any given bin, and they are in numerical order from lowest to greatest. And so if you're looking for a part, all you have to do is we search for the part number, and then you just go down the, so you're looking for 415. There it is. You find the bin that's closest to it. It's between 409 and 484, and then you could just go quickly to your part. We also store finished goods in these types of bins. So these are finished motor controllers. The boxes of reels are numbered from by our PLP numbers from lowest to highest, and so this also makes finding the reels easy. The larger reels, there's not many of them, and so they may only have a few reels in the box, and so they're just kind of highlighted, the part numbers that are on there. So this is a box of the smaller reels, and each reel has a part number on it, and they're stored in the box in order. And so this is a reel of resistors. It's not quite full, but a new reel has about 5,000 resistors on it. A new reel would come out. So this is the edge of the reel. The new reel might come out a little bit further. So this one's partially used. Yeah, so there's lots of reels, and they're all stored in order, so they're easy to find when you want to kit some parts for a build. This is a box of larger reels, again stored the same way with PLP numbers clearly written on them, and you can see they're much larger reels. You compare them to the size of my hand, but they're still pretty manageable. This is a reel full of connector, and this reel, probably weighs 5 pounds at most, so they're not terribly heavy. Here's a reel full of switches. They're little push button switches. More switches. This is a crystal oscillator. So you get all kinds of parts on reels. This is a through hole part that's on a reel. These are never really get out of order. This is a diode.